Hello and welcome to my new video. I know how to get more diamonds for One Piece Bounty Rush in just a couple of minutes. So in this video tutorial I will show you all the way to get more diamonds for free for One Piece Bounty Rush game. As you can see, I have it installed on my device. This is a special version, special edition, modded version of Bounty Rush Plus. So in this video I will show you how this modded version works, and later I will uninstall it and I will download it again to show you the whole process of downloading it on any Android or iOS devices. So right now let's check the game. So I got this modded version of One Piece Bounty Rush from this site, as you can see right here, tweakballet.top. So I will close the alert right now, and as you can see I can get a lot of diamonds for free. All the packages of diamonds are totally free. I got a lot of diamonds already, as you can see right here, and I can get more by clicking any button here. So let's add maybe 16, maybe this, or this. So this is working really good. This is Bounty Rush Plus modded version, mod APK from this site. So let's add some more. So that is how the mod APK works on my iPhone, but it is working also for any Android devices. So right now let's remove it from my phone. And to download it you need to go to your browser and go to this website, tweakballet.top. Go to this website and find here One Piece Bounty Rush mode. Click on here, select your platform. Mine is iOS, so I will click right here, and the process of downloading will take a couple of seconds. So now it is downloading the package installer, as you can see, and now installation in progress. Install succeeded, so it is installed on my device right now. So thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about One Piece Bounty Rush mod APK, write in the comments, I will help you. So thanks again and bye.